What's going on, guys? Hope you all are doing well, and welcome to a New York or pre-New York live, right? So essentially, I'm going to run through a couple of pairs with you all, go over a couple of things that took place, and figure out what we are anticipating for New York session. So as it relates to GBPUSD, we can see that we did have a break of this strong low here, right, to the downside. Right now we are at, we're resting at our apex demand, which is here. All right, I'm looking at the H2 time frame right now, but you can easily break this down to the H1. All right, since we are going to be day trading / intraday trading. We do have imbalance within this region here. Okay, we could see price return back to this area. I'm actually going to pay attention to this imbalance just in case price decides to give us some type of reaction here. All right, so solid play here. So I'll be paying attention to these areas. All right, and at this point now, all right, once New York session actually starts, you can easily look for possible buy opportunities within this H1 apex demand that price is at currently. Right, we're very let's put that there. There we go. We are very inexpensive for GBP USD right now. Okay, mainly because if we go to 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's going to be right here. Solid. Right, and then we go to the open price. It's going to be here. All right, we can see that pretty much, you know, since 12 a.m. we're pretty much, you know, bearish. So let's see what happens during this New York session. It doesn't look like London really gave anything. Actually, yes, it did here. That wasn't bad. So let's see what happens as it relates to GBPUSD, and let's see how we can take advantage. But I'll essentially be looking for possible buys here and then possible sells here. Let's go ahead and put these here for you guys as well. All right, now if we break through this area here, I'll be looking for higher prices, of course, to this target up here within this region. Next, let's look at EURUSD. Almost time to clear the chart, it looks like. So as it relates to EURUSD, we can see that we just have pretty much bearish momentum to the downside. Whoa. So we do have some supply here. We have sell side liquidity here, which more than likely price is going to target. Let's go down to the M15. So we have this inside bar here with a little bit of consolidation on the lower time frame, on the micro time frame in comparison to the M15. We're looking to target this low for sure. There's nothing really for us to do as it relates to GBPUSD right, or EURUSD right now, excuse me. If we sweep this low, however, I'll be looking for higher pricing. I'll be trading whatever liquidity is resting below this low. If price wants to possibly push to the upside, that's what I'll be looking for. All right, so AUDUSD, let's get rid of these right now. All right, so based on the H1 time frame, right, we definitely see that AUDUSD as it relates to our macro structure is bullish. Okay, micro wise, we do have some type of transition here. All right, once we had targeted this sell side liquidity. All right, we do have a little bit of imbalance here within this region. Right, so essentially we could look for price to tap into these regions here and then head for lower pricing. We have demand down here within this region. All right, also a little bit of imbalance resting here. Not bad. Right, so essentially I'll be waiting for price to tap inside of these zones, and then once price mitigates these zones, then we look for other criteria to take place. It looks like we could have possibly had, let's see. Okay, not necessarily. Actually, yes. So it looks like we actually had a possible entry opportunity here. Literally at this wick right here down to the pipette for this nice move to the upside. So more than likely price will tap into this unmitigated imbalance here. Go ahead and balance it out and then possibly push to the downside and react to our apex demand here. Right, based on the H1 time frame. And of course you can feel free to refine down to the time frames of your choice. So that's what I'm anticipating for New York session. Let's see what happens. It should be a very, very straightforward session with a lot of opportunity, as you guys can see here. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. It looks like AU is going to be the cleanest out of the three. EURUSD should be an easy liquidity move, and then GBPUSD should be an easy institutional move as well, right? So I will catch you guys. Much love. Peace out.